Let's do a quick test with a DeWalt cordless drill. We're not going to apply any pressure. So there are 3 cutting spurs, so you get a faster, much cleaner hole with less breakout and an extended drilling life. Alright, so we're going to be doing a test with this IRWIN SPEEDBOR drill bit. It's got a 1/4 inch quick chain shank. It's compatible with all 1/4 inch quick chain chucks, including impact drills, which is really cool. These bits are ideal for holes up to about 2 inches deep.
And this is a Ryobi drill. Once it catches, it doesn't want to let go. Like, look at that. I'm just holding this with one hand, so it's a little difficult. There you go. But look at that. Already right through. I highly love these bits.
There's a full screw point tip that allows you to self-feed for very easy drilling. Let's do a quick test with a DeWalt cordless drill. We're not going to apply any pressure. So there are 3 cutting spurs, so you get a faster, much cleaner hole with less breakout and an extended drilling life. Alright, let's give it a go on 6 inches of timber. The self-driving really propels it forward and it really gets it done. This allows me to drill in really tight and close spaces to take out a stud, for example, when a reciprocating saw just won't do.
So we just removed a couple of studs here. You can see how easily it just went right through. So instead of using a saw in a very tight spot like this, you can see I just drilled through it. Up top, at the bottom, and at the bottom. And then this is the result in like 3 minutes. Before I had these, I was using the old bits that I got with this drill. Holy moly, what a difference. So anyway, I basically got to cut that whole thing and that whole thing without a saw. I'm just going to drill with these arbor bits.